The ELK is compact, lightweight, and portable. It's easy to unpack and set up either inside or outdoors. The ELK is powered by a small lightweight battery compressor called the Airflow 24. The 4 coloured and numbered air lines are matched simply connected to each section of the ELK. The ELK is now ready to use. The first section of the ELK will now start to inflate. Continue to hold button 1. The airflow will stop automatically once the section is fully inflated. It's important for a safe lift that each required section is full before moving on to the next. Press and hold button 2 to inflate the second section. Press and hold button 3 to inflate the third section. Press and hold button 4 to inflate the fourth section.